I go first. I kiss it. I smack it with tambourine. And here we go. No!
Okay. That's a good tactic.
No!
Where are you going again?
No!
All right. I'm rubbing my belly on it.
Jack,
You got this.
stop. It's over. It's over.
No!
We're not doing this anymore.
What did you do?
I got angry.
Did you smack the bottle with the tambourine?
I punched the tambourine.
No!
I'm
This is so sad. What does this sound like now?
It still works. It still works.
Okay.
It still got some kick in it.
Just because your child breaks its leg doesn't mean it's broken completely.
That's true. Doesn't mean you saw them off.
Do you have any tape?
I do not. I got spit on it.
Go get chewing gum.
I'll repair it like those Japanese do it with gold. Let's see.
So what you're saying is that you didn't land that one.
What I'm saying, Jack, is 2 words.